Civil danger warning. The following message was sent at the request of the Federal Emergency Management Agency and the Whatcom County Emergency Management. This message was sent to persons remaining within a 50-mile radius of Mount Baker. If you have not evacuated, you must now shelter in place, as it is too late to evacuate. Anyone remaining in the evacuation zone must follow these steps: stay indoors and refrain from going outside for any reason. Close all windows and doors and cover all cracks with tape or damp towels. Turn off and close all ventilation systems in your home. Wear a breathing mask or a damp cloth to protect yourself from exposure to ash. Individuals with respiratory problems, such as asthma, should take extra precautions and wear gas masks if available. When Baker's eruption settles, emergency personnel will conduct a search, rescue, and recovery effort. You must hang on. Help will come soon. This message will repeat in 1 hour. More information will be on local news websites. The following message has been sent at the request of the Seattle Police Department. At 6:12 a.m. PST, law enforcement and several people in the downtown district have reported a violent individual currently roaming around at 23rd Avenue in the Capitol Hill and Central District areas. This individual has been confirmed to be armed with a pistol and is extremely dangerous. Residents in Seattle have been asked to avoid this part of the city and avoid going outside at all if you live on 23rd Avenue or the surrounding area. It has been speculated that he is a refugee from Deming, Washington, presumably here because of the Mount Baker eruption that occurred early this morning. More information can be found on local news websites.